All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at AXXA. Okay, this is Axxa or Xe Group. All right, this video is a request from the viewer comment section. Okay, so if you guys are watching this video and you have a stock that you need some help with, or a crypto maybe that you want some help analyzing, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to make a video for you guys whenever I can. Okay, as soon as possible. So two things I want to show you guys. Okay, we're currently in oversold territory on the RSI, or I'm sorry, overbought. Okay, which meaning that it could be start to come down, right? But as indicated here, just because it's above the yellow line in overbought territory doesn't mean that it can't go any higher. Okay, so we're currently in overbought territory on the weekly. It definitely still can go higher. Okay, so I'm not saying it can't, but what I'm saying is that there's a strong likelihood that we're going to see a pullback coming here soon. Okay. um Now, what I would have done is, played this breakout on the descending wedge right here, this falling wedge. All right. And if you look, here's the breakout level, the previous high right here. Okay. And it closed right there on this candlestick, opened right on it, went up. And it actually went crazy this week. Okay. On the week of the December 13th, went wild, went all the way up to 0.087. So, this thing is a penny stock. Okay. This thing is super cheap right now. Um, you know, so, you can get into it now for some long-term positions. Like if you want to hold like 5, 10 years and you think this is going to be worth a couple dollars, then yeah, maybe this isn't a bad time to buy. But, if you're trying to trade this or figure out if now's the time to buy because you missed this rally from, let's see here, this 380% rally, 400% rally in the past month. Don't FOMO into that. Okay, there definitely still could be some momentum to keep going on this. I do think that small caps are in for a nice market rotation, and this one seems to have already kind of been getting that rotation. But it is a penny stock. The market cap's pretty small, so it's very easy to influence the price on this one. So just keep an eye on it. Basically, these former bullish price targets, these green lines, okay, if we zoom in here on the daily now, these are going to be our major support levels. Okay, so we want to hold 0.067 as support, and we want to hold 0.05 as support and 0.035 as support. Okay, if we can maintain this as support, and let's say maybe not go up anymore, okay, but just trade a little bit sideways, do something like this, okay, even, where we're kind of just trading sideways in here, then that's not a bad sign to me. Okay. Um, you know, it had that amazing, run up that I just showed you guys. Okay. So what was that? 463%, 22 days right there. Okay. So, huge, huge, massive run up. If you look here on the RSI, on the daily chart now, okay, we have some bearish divergence. I have a whole tutorial on divergence in the top right hand of this video. Feel free to watch that. But basically, I'm going to do it right here. Connect this high, okay, to this high, right? We'll just do it like this, basically. So we have a high here and a higher high here. Okay, so the price is going up, okay, indicated by these higher highs. Now, if we look at where at these points, the RSI is going lower. Okay, so we have a high here and we have a lower high here on the RSI, but the price is making higher highs. That's what's known as bearish divergence, and you could see this thing drop. Okay, it's not a perfect entry or a perfect indicator. It's just it's just an indicator, guys. It's just an indicator that there's some bearish divergence between the price. Like I said, this thing still could go up more, but if you're not in it, I wouldn't get in it right now. I would wait to see where we find support at. If we find some support at any of these levels, maybe you can grab a position, grab a starter position, and see if we start to, go back bullish. Or you can wait for those bearish divergence to play out and see if this thing falls down and where it falls down to. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Um, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps the channel out a lot. And if you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, the link is in the description below. You can trade with us and use code Zachly to get a discount on your membership.